I'm here with Jeff. Jeff, can you describe a little bit about what we're doing here and how it relates to Taiwan?
Yeah, so right here we're trying to make like a little animal lantern, and this year, as we all know, it's the year of the dog. So we got these nice little toys here, and we essentially try to put it together. We welcome all kinds of different audiences. We see like the grandparents,
Yeah.
the kids, and even some like single or parents like come and make some of these with us. And like this actually looks a bit harder. Like it's harder than it looks. Is what I'm saying. And so we kind of help them out. I just made one. I'm not even done. I'm missing a leg too here. So and we also got a few other things from our sponsors, I believe. So we have like this from Pingdong Zhenfu, which is like the southest part of Taiwan. We got other like these packets, which can help like little kids learn more about Taiwanese culture. Thank you. So it's got like kind of introduce you to different like areas, and also like teaches you how to pronounce certain words. So we're also giving those out. Yeah.
Very cool. Tons of swag from the Taiwanese government. I guess is this your first year volunteering at the festival?
Yeah, it is. It is my first year here.
How'd you hear about it?
Yeah, so my good friend Alex, who we work together at Google, and he's the director. So. And I know he needed some help, so I came. Obviously, like I'm always looking for opportunities to volunteer. Like I do that for like video game tournaments, so I've had some background in terms of volunteering. So yeah, I definitely really enjoyed it here. Honestly, this is a lot a lot better than I expected. Honestly, because I wasn't really know what I was getting into coming into this, but yeah, I see so many people here and really good energy. And I'm generally having a lot of fun. So
yeah, it's great that you're enjoying it your first year in the festival.
Yeah,
I guess
here last year, so good that I finally came this year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess last question. Whenever you go back to Taiwan, what's the first thing you have to eat when you land?
Probably 卤肉饭 or like pai gu fan or something.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Nice. That makes me hungry right now thinking about
man,
that.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
There's a lot of good like food around where I live. So
Yeah.
yeah.
That's cool. All right,
Yeah,
thanks,
take
Jeff.
care, man. Thank you very much.